Friends, a warm welcome to this video. I'm Sonia, a certified PMP professional. Today, I'm thrilled to share some crucial strategies on PMP exam time management and tips on how to gain more time during the exam. Trust me, you don't want to miss any part of this video, as it holds valuable insights that can make a significant difference in your real PMP exam. But before we dive in, please press the subscribe button below. Friends, by subscribing, you will stay updated with our upcoming content, specially designed to guide you through PMP, ACP, and CAPM certifications. Alright, no more delays, let's jump into this exciting and informative video. Guys, let me share insights into the latest PMP exam duration and the number of breaks available for your PMP exam. The latest PMP exam has a duration of 230 minutes, during which you will answer 180 questions. 2 optional 10-minute breaks are available after every 60 questions, which means after completing the first 60 questions, you will have the option to take a break. Similarly, after completing the next 60 questions, there will be an option to take another break. So, you can divide your PMP exam into 3 sprints of 60 questions each, like a mini agile project. Let's talk about a very interesting topic, which is should you take these optional breaks or not. Friends, many test takers feel that taking a break would disrupt their flow. However, my recommendation is to take these breaks to recharge yourself. During your break, you can get up, stretch, go to the bathroom, and even eat some light snacks. Just make sure that you are back, seated, and ready to resume your exam before your break timer is up. It will help you recharge yourself for the next sprint. Alright, let's move to a key strategic question, which is how much time should you take to complete each set of 60 questions in the real exam? Ideally, you should use the first 75 minutes to complete the first 60 questions. For the next 60 questions, you should utilize 75 minutes, and for the last 60 questions, you should utilize the remaining 75 minutes. However, based on the latest PMP exam takers' feedback, the first 60 questions are considered tough, the second 60 questions are moderate, and the last 60 questions are easy to handle. So, if you end up spending an additional 5 to 6 minutes on the first set of 60 questions, you will have the option to cover up your timing in the second and last 60 question sprints. Guys, I often get this question that will you get an opportunity to review all the flagged or marked questions together? Well, in the latest PMP exam, before going for the optional breaks, the test takers get an opportunity to review the flagged or marked questions. So, you should answer these questions before going for the breaks, which means you will not get an opportunity to review all the flagged or marked questions together in the latest PMP exam. Let's move to the most crucial discussion on how you can hack time during the real PMP exam. Friends, in the real PMP exam, the overall exam duration is 230 minutes plus 2 optional breaks of 10 minutes each, which means that on average, you will get 1 minute and 28 seconds to answer each question. The first strategy is while answering questions, whenever you see an easy question, you should try to complete it in 30 to 40 seconds. In this process, you will save time for the moderate and tough questions. The second strategy is to complete moderate-level questions within 60 seconds. By doing this, you will save time for the tough questions, and the third key strategy is whenever you see a tough question, please don't spend more than 1 minute and 20 seconds. Just select your best option and flag the question and review it before going for a break, as by doing this, you can hack the time during the real PMP exam. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found these insights on how to hack the time during the real PMP exam incredibly valuable for your PMP journey. Before you go, a quick reminder, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you once again for joining us today. Wishing you all the best in your preparations. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and, as always, happy learning. Until next time, take care and keep striving for success. Goodbye.